Hello, I'm Vicki Austin, the instructor for Professional Communications. I'd like to welcome you to class today. I'd like to thank Levon Hart for covering this class for me as I had another commitment. I look forward to meeting all of you at my office hour or at the midterm presentations in March. I'm going to cover a little bit of information about myself and about objectives for this class. Here's a list of what today's meeting will include. I'm going to talk a bit about why we offer this class and what we hope to accomplish with it, and then hand off the rest of the day to Ms. Hart. She will cover the syllabus in more detail, talk about what the class includes each week, and review the major project that is due at the end of the term. We use a website created by the textbook publisher to help students master the material in the textbook called My BCom Lab, and that will be discussed. There's an exercise to help you get to know some of your classmates and discuss communication skills. And finally, there is a review of the use of Blackboard for anyone who is new to it or has questions. First, I'd like to do a little administrative work. Be sure to sign the clipboard in this room so that I know you are here. If you are hoping to add this class but not yet enrolled, please send me email at the class address cnt43class@gmail.com. This class is always full at the beginning of the term with a waiting list, so I cannot promise to add everyone who wants to be in the class, but I will try to accommodate as many people as possible. Please also be sure you have a copy of the syllabus so you can make notes. I teach only part-time, and all of my classes are online, so I'm not on campus much. I'm always here for my Wednesday morning office hour in room 803, and sometimes can be here at other times with advance notice. I hope to meet some of you at the office hour. I use an email address specifically for this class. Please send anything about this class, including all of your assigned work, to this address, since it's easier to keep track of student work in that account. So now let's move on to discuss the goals of this class. Why should you take this class? The class came out of discussions with our Business Advisory Council. Local business leaders said we graduated students with great technical skills who could install networks and repair hardware, for example, but some of those students didn't have all the communication skills they needed to succeed in the workplace. This class is our attempt to address some of those deficiencies. I strongly believe that what you learn in this class will help you at work, but also in other parts of your life. Some of the things you will learn include how to address conflict, negotiate, and write and speak in ways that you can be understood by people with backgrounds different than your own. These and other communication skills will be useful to you in many situations. Some of you are here because you need this class for a certificate or major. Some people just want to brush up on skills to help them in the workplace. All of those things are good reasons to take this class. What do you need to know to take this class? There are no prerequisites for this class. Who is your instructor? I've been teaching here at Las Positas since 1999 and teaching this class online since 2003. Prior to working here, I ran the training department for a software company. I teach only part-time, so I'm only on campus regularly on Wednesday mornings for my office hour at 9. I can sometimes schedule other in-person meeting times, or we can connect via email or video conference if needed. How can you succeed in this class? This is a 4-unit class, so it's a fair amount of work. Each week you will have assigned reading and a discussion to participate in on Blackboard. For most weeks there will also be a test on the reading and a written assignment. Additionally, there is a larger research project you will be working on throughout the term. To get good at various forms of communication, you will need to practice, and there are many opportunities for you to practice in this class. One of the parts of this class that students always say they find the most useful is the discussion board, and I look forward to reading contributions from all of you there as you practice communicating in writing with each other. I'm confident that this community of students will have a lot to contribute to each other's successes. At this point, I'm going to say goodbye for now. I will see all of you in March, and I welcome anyone who would like to visit at my office hour on Wednesday mornings.